Hey guys, this is a quick tutorial. I was asked how to find this B pulse wave in Massive. So we're using this B pulse wave table here for this sound, for example. But if you take a look at all the wave tables, well, you can't find it. Where is it? It should be in the digital hybrid section. It's not an analog, it's not a basic wave, it's not an FX or chord wave, so it's not here. The closest thing we can get to B pulse is guitar pulse. Okay, that's G pulse here. But we kind of want to play the B pulse wave. It is actually hidden below the guitar pulse wave. So it's another entry down here and the list is simply too short. So what you can do is look for the G pulse, enter the G pulse wave, and then take this arrow here and go down one step further and you end up at the B pulse wave, which is a pretty cool wave table. Because it might sound like this, for example. Did they forget more? Chord. So chord, we're here. So there's only one missing from this table, and that's guitar pulse, B pulse, cam chord. If you go back from chord to B pulse, you can also get there. So you can just click your way through those lists and then you will find it here. So I hope this is helpful to you. Subscribe to our channel, visit us on Production Music Live, and I hope to see you next time.